Hi there, I'm Chandra from Definitive Brands Group and welcome to Quick Q&A, where we offer simple answers to frequently asked questions from our customers. Today we're going to be talking about installation. Unfortunately, many of the products that we do sell do require installation. They aren't simple out-of-the-box products. For our basic products, our mineral pots, our filter jugs, those sort of things that are quite simple to install, we do offer comprehensive installation videos and installation manuals, which hopefully makes it very easy for people to install those things. But for slightly more complicated systems that need to be installed inline, if you are a DIY enthusiast, it is quite easy to install. If you may have overestimated your DIY skills or might not be particularly interested in DIY or have the time to install these yourself, then it does get a little bit complicated. So unfortunately, we do not offer installations through ourselves. We can recommend a number of different plumbers or installers to you in your area. We will link a list of installers that we know of in certain areas for this video. So if you are unsure, like I say, first I would recommend watching one of our installation videos. With a lot of these units, we do offer comprehensive installation videos that you can follow along with. Our manuals, we've also started adding additional information to the manuals that links straight through to the installation videos step by step. So you can complete a step, go through, scan a QR code, go through to the next step so that we follow along with you as you do the installation at your own pace. Most of these, like I say, can be installed DIY quite easily, but if you are unsure, we do recommend approaching an installer. If you are in the sort of Cape Town area where our head office is based, you can contact us and we can refer you to somebody here if you aren't keen to contact them directly. But yes, if you have any other questions regarding installation, please do leave us a comment or give us a call and we should be able to assist you with that.